Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat front camera not working. If you're also having this issue right now with your Snapchat, then make sure you stick to this video till the end because I'm going to show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now the first reason may be there is just simply a bug or glitch which is causing that issue. So what you can do in this case is head over to the settings of your phone. Search for the apps option, which is going to show you all of the apps that are installed on your phone. Tap on manage apps and search for Snapchat. Now inside of the setting, just tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Caches are the temporary files which automatically get downloaded, and when they pile up a lot, these problems occur. After you clear the cache, you can again tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. The other thing that you can also do in this setting is make sure that the camera permission is allowed. Tap on app permissions, and even if is allowed, you can tap on the camera permissions option. Once toggle this option off, head back and again toggle it on. This sort of resets the camera function of Snapchat app and may help to solve your issue. Now if it still does not solve, the other thing that you can do is completely uninstall Snapchat from your device. Once the app has been completely uninstalled, you can again re-download it and again log into your account. Doing this also helps in fixing the bugs, as you will download the latest version of Snapchat which is available. Now no matter what you do, you're still having this issue, then the last reason may be that Snapchat is down right now, or Snapchat servers are having an issue. So to check that, you can open up your web browser and search for downdetector.com. This is a website that lets you check that any of these companies are down or not. You can just search for Snapchat here. If you don't see it, tap on the search bar on the top and search for Snapchat. And it's gonna give you a report. Currently it says reports indicate no current problems at Snapchat. If it says something like there is a problem with Snapchat, then that means that is the exact reason why you're facing this issue, because Snapchat is down. So in this case, you need to wait out a couple of hours before Snapchat themselves fixes the issue. This is not a problem with you only. A lot of people right now are facing the issue. So just wait out a couple of hours and your problem should be pretty much fixed. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. That's all for today's video, and I'll be back with more informative videos similar to this.